Want to know the top 5 books that can help you gain and maintain wealth? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's world, financial literacy is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Understanding how money works, how to accumulate it, and most importantly, how to keep it, is crucial. Today we'll be diving into 5 books that could potentially change your financial future. These aren't just books, they're treasure maps, guiding you through the complex world of wealth accumulation and diversification. We'll be exploring the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, Benjamin Graham, Napoleon Hill, George S. Clason, and the dynamic duo of Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. These authors have laid out strategies ranging from investing in crypto stocks to venturing into real estate business, and everything in between. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to financial freedom. Stay tuned as we delve into the first book on our list. Starting off our list is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a classic when it comes to financial education. Penned by Robert Kiyosaki, this book brings to the table some thought-provoking insights about money that have stood the test of time. One of the key concepts Kiyosaki introduces is the difference between assets and liabilities. In his words, an asset puts money into your pocket, while a liability takes money out. It's a simple yet powerful distinction that can drastically change our financial decisions. To build wealth, Kiyosaki suggests, one should focus on acquiring assets rather than liabilities. That shiny new car you're eyeing? It may look like an asset, but unless it's generating income for you, it's a liability. But how does one go about acquiring assets? That's where another key concept from the book comes into play: financial education. Kiyosaki argues that our school systems often fail to teach us about money management, leading many into a cycle of earning and spending without ever building wealth. He encourages readers to seek out financial education, emphasizing that knowledge about money can be a powerful asset in itself. Finally, Kiyosaki talks about the idea of generating passive income. This is income that doesn't require your active involvement, like rental income or dividends from investments. The goal, he suggests, should be to have your assets generate enough passive income to cover your expenses. That's when you achieve financial freedom. What's remarkable about Rich Dad, Poor Dad is that it doesn't just teach you about money. It challenges you to rethink your attitudes towards wealth, to question the conventional wisdom, and to chart your own path towards financial success. This book challenges many of our preconceived notions about money, making it a must-read for anyone looking to build wealth. Next on our list is The Intelligent Investor, a timeless guide to value investing. Penned by the legendary Benjamin Graham, this book is more than just a collection of pages. It's a treasure trove of financial wisdom. One fundamental concept Graham presents is the importance of a margin of safety. Imagine you're about to cross a bridge. You wouldn't want to cross if the bridge could only hold exactly your weight, would you? No, you'd want it to hold much more than that. This is the concept of a margin of safety. When investing, Graham advises us to buy stocks for less than their intrinsic value, providing a cushion against potential losses. Graham also draws a clear distinction between investing and speculating. An investor looks at the facts, analyzes the risks and rewards, and makes a decision based on logic. On the flip side, a speculator follows the crowd, driven by hope, fear, and greed, often leading to financial disaster. So here's the takeaway: be an investor, not a speculator. Lastly, let's talk about Mr. Market. Graham presents the stock market as a manic-depressive character named Mr. Market. Some days, Mr. Market is wildly optimistic and prices are high. Other days, he's deeply pessimistic and prices are low. But remember, you're in control. You can choose to ignore Mr. Market or take advantage of his mood swings to buy low and sell high. The Intelligent Investor is like a roadmap, guiding you through the volatile landscape of the stock market. It emphasizes that investing isn't about making quick profits, but about making sound judgments and minimizing risk. With its focus on long-term, risk-averse investing, this book is essential for anyone looking to build a diversified portfolio. Our third book, Think and Grow Rich, explores the psychological aspects of wealth accumulation. Penned by the insightful Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich delves into the psychological foundations of wealth creation. It's not just about the numbers, the stocks, or the real estate, it's also about the mindset, the attitude, and the perspective. One of the key concepts Hill emphasizes is the power of positive thinking. Now, this isn't about simply wearing a smile and hoping for the best. It's about cultivating a mindset that sees opportunity where others see obstacles, that seeks solutions rather than dwelling on problems. It's about believing in your ability to shape your financial future, and not just leaving it to chance. Hill also underscores the importance of setting clear, concrete goals. Wealth in this context is not an abstract dream. It's a tangible target, with defined steps and a clear path towards achievement. It's about knowing exactly what you want, how much you need, and when you plan to achieve it. By setting clear goals, you create a roadmap to your financial success. And of course, Hill talks about perseverance. In the journey towards wealth, there will be challenges, there will be setbacks. But Think and Grow Rich reminds us that these are not roadblocks. They're stepping stones, learning experiences that shape us and prepare us for the wealth we seek. Perseverance, then, is not just about enduring. It's about growing, learning, and pushing forward no matter what. In essence, Think and Grow Rich reframes wealth accumulation as not just an economic endeavor, but a psychological journey. It's about cultivating the right mindset, setting clear goals, and persevering through challenges. It's about understanding that wealth is not just about the balance in your bank account, but the mindset in your head and the resolve in your heart. This book offers valuable insights into the mindset needed to accumulate and maintain wealth. It's a must-read for anyone looking to understand the psychology behind successful investing and wealth creation. Next up is The Richest Man in Babylon, a collection of parables about money management. Penned by George S. Clason, this book takes us on a journey to the ancient city of Babylon, unveiling timeless truths about wealth and financial well-being. The Richest Man in Babylon is built on a foundation of simple yet profound principles. One of them is what Clason calls pay yourself first. This concept is all about setting aside at least 1/10 of your income for yourself. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, set aside a portion of your income to save for your future. This book also speaks volumes about the importance of wise investments. It urges us to let our money work for us. Clason illustrates this by using the metaphor of, money is plentiful for those who understand the simple rules of its acquisition. He emphasizes that money should not be squandered but put to work, multiplying and creating more wealth. Moreover, Clason highlights the significance of seeking wisdom from those who are well-versed in handling money. This could mean getting advice from successful investors, reading insightful books, or enrolling in finance courses. As Clason puts it, gold clingeth to the protection of the cautious owner who invests it under the advice of men wise in its handling. The beauty of The Richest Man in Babylon lies in its simplicity. It doesn't dive into complex financial jargon or intricate investment strategies. Instead, it presents straightforward, practical advice that anyone, regardless of their financial situation, can apply. Clason's parables are more than just stories, they're stepping stones to financial independence and prosperity. They remind us that accumulating wealth isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about consistency, discipline, and the ongoing pursuit of knowledge. This book offers simple yet powerful financial advice, making it a timeless classic. Rounding out our list is Your Money or Your Life, a guide to achieving financial independence. Penned by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, this book is a classic that stood the test of time, offering timeless wisdom that's as relevant today as it was when it first hit the shelves. One of the book's most potent ideas is the concept of life energy. This idea suggests that when we work for money, we are essentially trading our life energy for it. It's a profound shift in perspective that reframes how we view our earnings and spending habits. Every dollar we spend is a piece of our life energy we'll never get back. So, ask yourself, is that designer jacket or new smartphone really worth hours, days, or even weeks of your life energy? The book also emphasizes the importance of frugality. But wait, don't let that word scare you off. Frugality, as Robin and Dominguez explain it, isn't about penny pinching or deprivation. It's about making conscious choices and getting the most value from every dollar spent. It's about living more with less and finding joy in simplicity. Now let's talk about the steps towards financial independence that Your Money or Your Life outlines. The book presents a 9-step program that encourages us to track our income and expenses, minimize costs, maximize income, and invest the surplus wisely. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about steady, sustainable progress towards financial freedom. What makes this book truly special is its holistic approach. It doesn't just address the numbers. It delves into the psychological, emotional, and even spiritual aspects of money management. It's all about transforming your relationship with money, moving from a place of fear and stress to one of peace and abundance. This book provides a comprehensive plan for transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. It's a must-read for anyone seeking to take control of their financial destiny and live a more fulfilled and free life. That wraps up our list of the top 5 books for gaining and maintaining wealth. We've journeyed through the profound lessons of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, reminding us of the importance of financial education. We delved into the sage advice of The Intelligent Investor, highlighting the need for patience and discipline in investing. We explored the timeless wisdom of Think and Grow Rich, emphasizing the power of unwavering belief in our financial goals. We walked the ancient streets of Babylon with the richest man in Babylon, learning the golden rules of money. Lastly, we reconsidered our relationship with money through Your Money or Your Life, understanding the value of time and life energy. These books offer invaluable insights into wealth accumulation and diversification, touching on key elements of investing such as crypto stocks and real estate business. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Happy reading and investing.